Hello viewers, today on the table we've got a shark with legs. So yeah, some of you have already guessed that this is not our build. It's again stolen by another YouTuber called Brick101. So yeah, he used the white mold to the old shark mold. We haven't got the old shark as white, we've just got it as grey. So yeah, there's nothing special about this, it's just a Lego shark with a Lego jumper plate and the Lego grey legs. The jumper is just there because it's just one stud on the width or something. I don't know what it's called actually. Something like that. If the jumper wouldn't be there, it would be like this, and it doesn't stick there either. So yeah, jumper is just there because the legs would be there. So yeah, just for the heck of it, we've also made an leg shark with the new mode. It's got the more rounded nose and a more fleshed out body. It doesn't need the jumper because it's got 2 studs wide on the here, so we just put the legs there and they fit. Then we've made a white shark. This is the new design too, because we haven't got the old design mold as white. Then we've also made the swordfish using the old mold, because there is no, or is there? I don't know if there's a new mold for the swordfish. Then we've got the big shark, the big mama of all sharks, and just because why not, we've made a squid with legs. So yeah, this video is just about sea creatures with legs. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this minifigure here because I always do that, and I'm just gonna end the video by saying that this is the first video in a new series. We've made a series of cars or vehicles, we've made a series of robots, now we have a series of animals. So yeah, that's about it.